Hi everybody, Jewel here with the tropical update, and we're also going to check out some severe weather. But of course today is Sunday, August 16th, 2020, and this is the latest map from the National Hurricane Center. As you remember, I told you all along that we had more systems that were going to be coming off the coast of Africa. And we still have more than what's showing up here. Excuse me. But let's check out what's going on. This is more than enough for us to keep up with. Okay, Kyle up here. The winds are 40 miles per hour. The minimum pressure is 1,003 millibars. It's located at 40.0 north, 58.9 west, and it's really booking. It's going to just downgrade more as it moves across and gets into cooler waters. It's moving east at 20 miles per hour. Then we have Josephine. She's still a tropical storm, 40 mile per hour winds. Minimum central pressure 1,009 millibars, located 20.3 north, 64.0 west, moving west northwest at 15 miles per hour. Now, when we get over here, what have we got? Let's check this out. This is disturbance number 1. Now, as of now, it's just a fast-moving tropical wave, and it's located about 850 miles. Let's get this off of here. 850 miles east of the Windward Islands, producing a small area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms, looking like the system is expected to move westward at about 20 miles per hour during the next few days. And that fast speed is likely to limit development. How many times have I said, when they're going at a good clip, they're not going to last? But we'll have to wait and see. Right now, though, it looks like it should move about 20 miles per hour during the next few days. Now, that will limit the development while the system approaches the Windward and southern Leeward Islands today and Monday. Now, it moves across the Eastern Caribbean Sea Tuesday. After that time, the system is expected to move more slowly westward across the central and western Caribbean Sea. And the upper level winds could be conducive for development during the middle to latter part of this week. Now, in 2 days, it's 10%. In 5 days, it's 30%. This could move right on up in here and come up in the Gulf. I'm not saying it's going to. I'm saying there is a good possibility this could happen. We have to watch these systems. Now, when we come over to disturbance number 2, it's still just a tropical wave. It's west of the coast of Africa. It's producing larger areas of cloudiness and showers, and this wave is forecast to move westward around 10 to 15 miles per hour during the next few days also. Now, some development will be possible by the middle to latter part of this week, and all of the environmental conditions are going to become more conducive for this system while it's over the central tropical Atlantic. 2 days, 0, 5 days, 30% chance. Folks, we have to keep our eyes open. Remember, I told you after the 24th how things were going to start. Today's the 16th. The dry air is going to not be as abundant. Sheer wind is going to start to die down. What do these things look like? Let's check something else out right quick. Now we'll take a quick look. This is the European model, and I've got this set on up to the 25th as these things move along. I'm trying to make this video short. Of course, all of this can change, you have to remember. And the 25th is a long way from today. It doesn't mean this is going to happen, okay? You can't go that far out. How many times have you told me? This is just something to go by as to what might happen. Now, that system you can see does go up in the Gulf, and here it is spinning around right here, okay? So far as winds go, it looks like 38 mile per hour wind gusts. 1 mile per hour shy of tropical storm 1 mile per hour shy of tropical storm. But the other one is over here. It doesn't look like a whole lot of nothing but rain, right? Well, it does have wind in it, folks. 40 mile per hour wind gust. It is a tropical storm. Doesn't look like it. And as we move over here, we can see we have another one that is going to be coming off the coast also, right in here. So all of these things are going to be going on. We have to pay attention. Not that these things will do exactly what I'm showing you now. It's too early to tell. This is just something, and everybody needs to make sure they've got everything prepared. If you're in any of the Gulf Coast states, for that matter, anywhere up and down the eastern seaboard of the U.S. and all of the island areas. So far as names go, you know, I made a video. The names are probably going to run out, and they probably are, folks, because all of these little storms that we've been having and making up, plus the hurricanes, they're nothing to what may come, especially in September. But if these two are named, the first one would be Laura, the second one would be Marco. I want to squeeze in right quick the severe weather for the lower 48 today. This is very, very important. Already today in Northern California, they have had severe thunderstorms going on, cloud to ground, lightning, and very erratic wind bursts. Now, these wind bursts is very severe, folks. They can travel just a small ways and do damage of a tornado. And today it's looking like we're going to have a lot of that going on. Now, isolated strong to severe storms are possible over portions of the central and southern plains this afternoon and evening. Now, some large hail and downburst winds are the main threat at this time. You have to pay attention to these downburst winds. You will not be able to drive through them. Now, other strong storms with downburst winds are possible across southern Arizona this afternoon. When it comes to strictly tornadoes, we'll let this load up right quick. It's a 2% chance. That's not very much, but that's all it takes, folks, for maybe a tornado in the northwestern section of Kansas moving up into Nebraska. When we look at the wind as it loads up, this is significant wind. Significant wind. This is more likely where these downbursts are going to happen, right here in portions of where you see this black, also in the yellow, which dips down to portions of the Oklahoma Panhandle and moves up into Nebraska. And so far as the hail goes, we'll get over here. We can see this is the hail outlook. Significant large hail in portions of northwestern Kansas and also the southern section of Nebraska here. But it also goes down to a 15% chance in the Oklahoma Panhandle and stretches on up into Nebraska. Folks, do not, let me repeat, do not play with these storms if they are having all of these severe downburst winds. It's nothing to play with. Please be safe and stay that way. And that's going to be a check of your tropical and severe weather this morning. I will be back this afternoon, hopefully, with the good Lord's will, and I'll have a complete tropical update at this time. Everyone, please be aware of what's going on in your areas and stay alert. As you can see, we have a chance of thunderstorms popping up from New Jersey all the way through Florida, moving up to New York, all the way down to Louisiana. We got marginal thunderstorms in Texas, over in Arizona where those downdraft burst of winds can happen, also up in Oregon and in Northern California. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. I thank you for everything you do for me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks to all my old subscribers. Please click subscribe, click the bell, and check off all to ensure you get all my latest weather videos. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.